Hello, I hope you're good. I hope you had a good weekend. And just make this a little bit bigger. I just seen scale weights drop down 139 again, which is no surprise. I think that rise last week obviously was just due to you having your period. But keep shoveling that food, keep working hard in the gym, and we'll see those gains. So that's been and gone now. Okay, summary of the week. Full body 3. Smith good mornings, up 2.5 kilos, 10 reps. Smith hip thrust plus 10 kilo, 10 reps. So I think, did you tell me you were sitting at 80, 80 kilos? 80 kg hip thrust today for 10 reps. And like I said last week, um, when it comes to ovulation week, and yeah, typically you and I as well can be a little bit weaker. I don't want you to go in with that mindset where you've already got yourself beat. Just say to yourself, fuck it, I done it last week, I can do it this week, or I can at least give it a bloody good go. I would push for the 10 reps again, and if there's one more in you, then absolutely go for it. But like I say, don't begin in with that attitude that you're beat already, because you won't do it. It's as simple as that. Mindset is everything. But that's absolutely fantastic. 80 kilos, and that 100 kilos is definitely doable, big time. So that is always good to have a little progress goal like that in the back of your mind. And the way you'll reach that is by pushing for those extra couple of reps, or you know adding 2.5 kilos this week and going for 10 reps at 82.5 or 85. Those small little increments will enable you to get to that 100 kilo goal, and that's just progressive overload as well. So you have to push your body to that point where, past the point where it wants to do any more reps, for like I said last week, for for that muscle to break down and for that adaptation to occur, because that's what we're wanting. That's what's going to cause those gains, is that adaptation. And you're not going to get that adaptation unless you're completely fatiguing the muscle. You can do it, I know. Cable kickbacks, 20 kilos up 2 reps, fantastic. That's a great progression. Single arm pull down, again, 2 reps up. Gym was so busy Friday, couldn't do everything on full body one, so just went in and freestyle, absolutely fine. No issue with you doing that, even if, in that full body one or any session, obviously you've got your exercise order. If and there's days I've had to go in and do this, my sessions all over the fucking place, and then you can't really gauge your progression, because you might have been stronger on that exercise last week because it was at the start of your session, whereas this week you're maybe having to do it at the end and you're already fatigued, so you might not what was I going to say? I don't know, I've lost my train of thought there, but you get the gist anyway. But no, absolutely fine that you can go in and freestyle a wee session. Something is always better than nothing. So let's have a little look. All good in the hood. Making progress and maintaining where else. Motivation has been high, which is great. Yeah, nutrition's looking absolutely fantastic. Going to the toilet regularly. No issues. No excessive caffeine. Just killing it. Just fucking killing it. Let me know how this week goes. Especially with the hip thrust. Get the fucking tunes pumping. Get yourself geared up. Just really go for it. I know you can do it. But yeah, please do keep me updated. More of the same this week, please, and thank you. And I think we are due pictures as well. So if and when you get a chance to get those done, that would be fab. Thank you so much. Let me know if you need anything, Mrs. I'll catch up with you soon anyway. Speak to you soon. Bye.